Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make these delicious M&M cookies. This recipe calls for mini M&Ms, but you can use whatever size M&Ms you'd like. For the ingredients, you're going to want some granulated sugar, light brown sugar, salt, all-purpose flour, baking soda, butter, baking powder, vanilla extract, mini M&Ms, and then some eggs. First, we're going to want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we can measure out about 10 ounces of mini M&Ms. For the mini M&Ms, I did only have a little over 7 ounces, so I did add in some regular M&Ms to make it an even 10. After that, we're going to add in 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter and make sure it's room temperature, as well as 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of light brown sugar. And then we can cream this together until it's light and fluffy. We're then going to add in 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we can mix again. Just a reminder, it's helpful to wipe down the sides of the bowl with a rubber spatula in between steps. In a separate bowl with a sifter, we're going to take 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and we're going to sift that together. And then we can gradually add the flour mixture into the butter mixture and mix in between. And then we're going to fold in the 10 ounces of M&Ms and make sure it's fully dispersed. And then on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, we're going to take 2-inch dough balls and we're going to spread them out 2 inches apart. I'm using a scoop to make it easier. It also makes it a little more uniform. We're then going to throw it in the preheated oven for about 9 to 11 minutes. My oven runs hot, so I started with 9. While those cookies were baking, I decided to scoop out some more dough onto a different tray just to get it ready for the next batch. After the timer went off, I took the first batch of cookies out and it looks like 9 minutes was perfect for my oven. Every oven is different though, bake time and temperature wise, so make sure you're watching your cookies if you're making this recipe for the first time. I did bake off a few more batches of this dough and then I did end up freezing some because this does make about 25 to 35 cookies if you're making this size. I personally do think that this is the best M&M cookie recipe I've found thus far, and if you love M&Ms or M&M cookies, I do recommend trying this recipe. With that being said, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell button, and that'll tell you when my videos come out. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!